Hi, this is Bill Janbella, and I wanted to do a review on Optimarkets.com. I've been following this trading platform for some time now, and looking for a non-US based binary options platform to execute on, and Optimarkets seems to be one of the absolute best platforms out there. They offer up to 89% profitability per trade, which is a very high ratio, 100% safe trading environment, and there is no hassle when it comes to withdrawals. They're fully accessible. You can contact them by phone, email, live chat. Opening up an account is a very simplistic process. In fact, their whole user experience is just very simplified. Data feeds are exceptional, and just the process to enter orders is just fantastic. I'm going to log into my account. I've already funded an account here, and I see some trades setting up in the marketplace that maybe we'll take advantage of while I'm doing this demo. But the whole purpose of this review is just to give you a bird's eye view of their platform. They offer a vast amount of currency pairs, indexes, underlying stocks, as well as commodities. So they have a really good depth of assets available to trade. Additionally, they offer multi-views where you can see numerous markets in action at once, or for the slower paced look and feel, you can go to classic view and then just click around between assets, and you can see these charts are loading super fast. I mean, I click on them, boom, it's loading. It's a real-time feed. The data is spot on, and you can see everything is updating very dynamically, very smooth. Haven't had any hangups. When I'm looking to execute, since I've been trading on this platform, I opt to go with the digital tab and use the Chart Plus. There's a bunch of bonuses for using the Chart Plus. First of all, the order entry keys are very big. The graphics are extremely bold. If you click on put, the gray area highlights where the trade has to settle. If you click on call, the gray area highlights where you have to settle. And you can see the time to expiration is right here, clearly defined. And the price action is very smooth. You can roll over this time and see price on any given tick. It's just real simple to use. And again, all of their contact support is listed on predominantly every page in the user experience. Their deposit process, very simple. Account opening process, you click on it, you're up and running in a very short period of time. Deposits, very short period of time. They're feeded by Reuters, which is a big plus for data. And you know what? I'm going to go with a continuation on the euro pound here as an example. And but before I do, I just wanted to show you some more features about this before I take the trade. We're looking at taking a 1600 expiration in the pound, but you could easily, pound yen, pound dollar. You can toggle back and forth, very easily between these markets. So, and also you can see that we have approximately 20 minutes to 25 minutes to close on this trade. Time to invest, 14 minutes and 47 seconds counting down. So I'm going to take this trade because I'm looking at an upward trend line, and I'm thinking that we're going to get a bounce here over the next half an hour. So I'm going to click call. I'm going to enter in $25 trade, and I'm going to wait for a little bit more. I want to see the strike get to about 83.2-ish. So we'll see. I'm going to give it another tick or two, and then I'm going to enter the trade. But you can see, looking at this, there's my tick. I'm going to buy. Boom. Executed successfully that quick. My strike is 83.201. So we'll check back in a bit. Like I said, this trade, I'm going to be demoing a lot of trade setups examples on this platform to give you a look and feel of how to successfully trade on this platform. But I'm very impressed thus far. And just at a glance, if I was looking at, let's say, Aussie dollar, and I want to see my positions at a flash without changing the quote. Let's say I'm trying to size up here for another entry in the Aussie dollar, and I just want to, get a visual. I just roll over this, click on it, and I can see where I'm in the money, where I'm out of the money. Like right now, this trade, this euro pound, is in the money. If I was out of the money, it would show the gray in the bottom. But it's just a real easy visual, and that's one of the reasons why I like this platform so much. So I'm going to hit pause here and come back to this trade in about 20 minutes, and we'll see how we close out. Okay, during our break, I actually ended up taking a longer term trade in the euro pound. I opted to take the 83.191 strike for a longer duration. This is a week-long trade. So if you're questioning why I have another trade on the blotter, it's because some price entries were hit, and it's a long trade setup that I definitely want to take for the long haul. But back to the original trade I had taken. We're due to expire in 43 seconds. You can see I'm in the money. This is why this platform has really impressed upon me greatly, because at a glance you can see multiple markets, what's going on, and like right now I notice the gray area shows I'm in the money. My strike is well, actually the strike is shown on my long-term options, but here's my trade that I'm in right now, the one that's due to expire in 19 seconds. I'm in the money. The red line is my current price. The white line separating white and gray is the strike I entered at, and you could see 4 seconds, 3 seconds. The option is off. And you can see immediately, that's the close of the equities markets. You can see immediately my expired trades. We're going to go to and see that my expired trades, this euro pound trade closed in the profit. That's simple. I mean, this is a platform that really impressed upon me greatly. The open trades, you could see at a glance. And again, you can always roll over and see the contract you're in at a glance, and where you are in the money versus out of the money, and flipping through these contracts are super easy. So that concludes my evaluation of the Optimarkets platform. I give it a thumbs up, and I'm looking forward to demonstrating some training, some trading strategies on this platform in the coming days and weeks. And I'm glad that I can present this to you. Thanks for listening.